This experience was one of the best on our entire trip and therefore deserves 5 stars in all categories. From the transport on a well-equipped ship with very friendly staff to the trip to the seals' rocks and observing the seals up close, everything was perfect. And the price is great too. The only thing is that the trip itself on the sea is often very shaky because there are a lot of waves. The tour was very arranged with pre-event email warning about the forecasted weather and sea condition. The crew really took care of all of us, especially for those with seasick. It was a very choppy morning. The seals were amazing and an unforgettable experience. Very prompt services and a very unique experience. Although it is windy day, the captain and his team did a fantastic job stabilizing the boat and ensuring we had a good time. Really amazing experience. The boat ride is very rocky as the waves are huge, but seeing so many seals at the end makes it all worth it. Great close-up of the seals. Good information shared about the seals and the areas throughout the cruise. It includes complimentary coffee/tea and cake. Great experience. Had close encounter with the seals. Captain and crew are very informative. Watch out for some dolphins when you're not the way to the seal rock. Stand at below deck at less side to see the seals closer. I had an amazing time on the seal cruise. The crew was incredibly friendly and attentive, constantly checking in to make sure no one felt seasick, which was much appreciated. The free refreshments were a nice touch as well. Despite some potentially rough patches, the cruise ship was large and stable, so I didn't feel seasick at all. It was a smooth and amazing experience. Very cold during winter, but so very worth. My kids loved the seals and service was top-notch. I could not believe that there were so many seals. There was constant commentary explaining about seals and their behavior. Easy to redeem. Kids had fun looking at the seals. Super nice cake served on the return trip. Highly recommended. It's an amazing trip to see such amount of wild seals. They are cute. We like to see them turn and swim freely in the sea. Amazing experience with the seal rock. There really were over 7,000 seals to see on the rocks and in the water combined. Truly a rare experience to see such natural colony. Only downside was the choppy waters that made a lot of people seasick. If you'd really want to go, best to prepare yourself for motion sickness, for example taking a I feel it's an awesome experience with really great commenting and lively crew. But it gets a bit repetitive, that's all, but the amazing views is good enough. Loved the cruise. Saw a lot of seals, and because I went during later part of July, the crew, who are all very friendly, said it was whale season, and we were lucky enough to also see some humpback whales as we were heading back. Compared with taking a yacht on the island, you can see wild seals very close. Seeing seals swimming leisurely in the sea and sleeping lazily on the rocks is really a worthwhile experience. It was such an eye-opener and great experience for me and my family members, my child especially. We enjoyed ourselves tremendously and would love to visit again the next time we are back in Melbourne. Lucky to see pups playing on the rocks very close by. The wind and waves are quite strong. Remember to take seasickness medicine first so that you won't lose your interest in traveling. Enjoyed watching the seals on an island off Phillip Island. The boat was large with seating indoors and outdoors. They also provided sick bags for motion sickness. The operator gave us interesting facts about the seals as the boat went past them. They also take a photo.